guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. आज मेरे साथ है extremely talented Kirti and she is currently working with PwC. She's a consultant by the way, but before that, I'll tell you, यार academically Kirti has been really brilliant. इन्होंने company secretary करा है, जैसे chartered accountant होता है ना CA, वैसे मैम ने CS करा है, MCOM भी करा है, फिर MBA करा एंड MBA में मेरे ख्याल से पहले 2 सेमेस्टर में ये टॉपर भी रह चुके हैं. सो बहुत सारी चीजें इनसे जानने के लिए दिस इज गोइंग टू बी रियली इंटरेस्टिंग पॉडकास्ट. सो कीर्ति, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड एंड वुड लव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ. बाय द वे, कीर्ति हेल्स फ्रॉम आईफिल, मैंने अपना MBA आईफिल से करा है. आपकी जो प्रोफाइल मैंने देखी, आई वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड एंड आई वाज लाइक, इतना अच्छा एकेडमिक होने के बाद आपने आईफिल क्यों चूज किया? रीजन क्या था?
So there was this one time in 12th standard, one of my teachers asked me, close your eyes and imagine where you will be in 10 years. So I was the only person saying that I see myself in a corporate dress and as a corporate, in a corporate, and as a manager I see myself, leading people. Both liquid. And then I started exploring how to become a manager. So there I got to know about MBA. Okay, chal sakte. Because I don't know about the other people, but in my family it was like, abhi ek path liya hai, उसे finish करो. You cannot jump or give up. So my father was like, no, you complete CS, हाँ. अभी इतना time दे दिया है, 3-4 years हो गया है, finish it off. And then I told my father, I'll clear my CS, but you have to take a deal that you'll let me go for the MBA then.
Okay.
And then we made a deal, handshake and everything happened and deal. And because of that deal, I cleared my CS in 2016. And I was a professional in 2016. And in 2017, I attempted CAT. And then I was like, okay, now this path is chosen. But why I feel so, of course, when we are giving CAT, a lot of colleges calls you. Because and they are like, you are eligible in this. So because I hail from Jaipur, so Delhi, UP was the nearest places with good or better colleges. So मैंने सोचा वहीं करेंगे. But recently a lot of things happened in Delhi that time. So my mother was particular. Please don't go to Delhi and Noida. And I was like heartbroken. Okay, because I never thought that I can go to Maharashtra. I mean, it's like a far off place.
Far away, yeah, understood.
And then I feel called, and that was the only college which approached me with a fee which was less than 10 lakhs that time.
अभी भी इनका 8 लाख की है फीस, ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है फीस.
Correct. So I was like, that was the moment I got attracted. Okay, ठीक है. But then, of course, only the fee structure I cannot decide my future on. So I started, researching on it. And then they called me to Jaro Delhi office. They were like, come here. We will let you know more about iFeel. And I gave my interview there because I was in a phase of giving interviews. And I'm being very honest, that was the only interview where the interviewer was really interested in helping me out to choose a stream where I can go as my personality. So I'm a very extrovert person, very well spoken. So they told me that you are very well, versed with, you can be a good marketer. You should choose marketing. And then I told them the thing in my heart that I want to be an agent. I think I'm a people's person. So what about that? And I don't remember specifically who took my interview, but that person, he was like, he literally helped me, make path towards my career right now. And he told, HR, that's really, no one chooses HR this easily. I have not seen. Because marketing and finance have a lot of money, right? So that was happening. And so I loved, so also I get really attracted towards people who have good characteristics. And that's where I got to know, okay, this is how a corporate person or a manager looks like. So I was fantasizing what a manager looks like. And then they told me, they have this program of 2 days or 3 days wherein they student exchange or a program where then they call aspiring students to their college, to their campus. And I was like, okay, I mean, and this was my first time getting out of Jaipur, so I was like, oh, Mumbai ja rahe hain. And then Lonavala. So I was like, I took my parents also. I was like, come along. You also see the campus and everything, and we'll roam around and everything. And in those 2 days, we had so many activities. I lived in a hostel, like I told you, like I came out of my home for the first time. And that hostel and the teachers and the learnings in those 2 days. And then I was like, if you put up a ratio, like in 2 days, if अगर मुझे इतना सब मिल सकता है तो वो 2 साल में I can really move mountains. So my parent, or specifically my father was very much particular. कैसे रहेगी इतना दूर and everything, and that's where I made them talk to the people there in the college. That was my main concern कि आप जाके बात करो. And बात किया, सब हुआ. So my main concern was कि हाँ मेरे फादर को लोन नहीं लेना पड़ेगा because it's a budgeted college and they are giving me a 2-year experience. Like पूरा, the good thing was professors were from the corporate, so they work there, they do the management thing, and then they teach the same management thing. So I was like, okay, these are the people who have the live experience. And of course, third thing was the trip they take us to Europe or anywhere outside India.
हाँ
And
यार वो तो उसमें इंक्लूडेड है 8 लाख में इंक्लूडेड है वो
that's included. And it's an industrial trip.
And one thing I want to make a mention here is that कि जो भी बच्चे ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं, आपको ऐसा लगा होगा कि भाई 15 दिन यूरोप जाना है और ये सब ना मार्केटिंग गिमिक्स होते हैं कॉलेजेस के. But I'll tell you, I've been there. I've traveled so many countries. Honestly, before my MBA and even after my MBA, guys, वो 15 दिन भी होते हैं ना, वो आपका पर्सपेक्टिव, आपके ड्रीम अलग लेवल पे लेके जाते हैं. That changes you as a person. तो मुझे लगता है कि बाकी जहाँ पे कॉलेजेस हैं जो 40, 45, 30, 35 लाख चार्ज करते हैं, आई थिंक आई फील इज लिटिल मैग्नानिमस जो 8 लाख में आपको यूरोप ट्रिप भी करवाता है. तो ये चीजें ना थोड़ी काम आती हैं, ये चीजें आपको हेल्प करती है एक्चुअली. कृति प्लीज गो अहेड.
So Abhi, I'll tell you how it helped me. So I'm a very curious person. I always ask the question why, how, and why is it happening, how is it happening. So third, like after second semester, we have an internship, like 2 or 3 months internship. And usse pehle ek project tha. So it was an operations project. So we went home. We all went home for like Diwali vacations or something, and that professor, the operations professor, gave us a project. That was the first time, me being a commerce student, जिसने books के बाहर दुनिया नहीं देखी, उसने पहली बार assembly line देखी. और वो, I mean, that was like, I was shocked, like how the factories look like. I mean, this is how जो तुम्हारे हाथ में एक product आ रहा है वो कैसे assemble हो रहा है. Maybe ये तुम्हें career में help नहीं करेगा, but this is making you more knowledgeable. Like you can share that knowledge to people. And I spent my whole day in that factory, and that helped me like to learn. Okay, I mean, it's in you, like तुम्हें क्या सीखना है. It's you who's stopping yourself. तो क्यों रोकना है? And this is where I got that opportunity. And then also when we went to the Europe tour, it was not just fun. So we went to MAN trucks, we went to Mercedes. I actually saw a Mercedes or a BMW, getting assembled. Like, so I know where that, and for the first time I saw a robot doing it. So seeing it on a TV and seeing it firsthand from your own eyes, that was very surprising, and I loved it. And we also went to this Ferrari museum, wherein we saw how Ferraris, they like how they are today, why they are today as what they are. So the history of it. So I mean, and also I had a lot of fun. Of course, it's Europe and you are with your friends, so it's a mix, best of both worlds you get it. So I was be again, because as you told that also that I am like I already completed my masters and CS. So I was like कि okay, अभी ये करना है तो इधर studies करके I have to keep that, जो मैंने अपना level बना के रखा था. I studied also, but उसी के साथ fun भी full. Like 2 years, they are like the best years of my life. like when I entered in the first month only, Miss Freshers happened and I became Miss Fresher, and that was like okay. This also like all the festivities are celebrated. There are the good thing about one of the good things about this college also is कि, they have entrepreneurship, uh, you know, ideas or the small businesses inside the campus. So there is
Oh,
a
is it?
business. Yeah, so there's a business. Two people started. They used to prepare Maggie after 12 a.m. and they used to sell it. So you get the gist of that business from the college itself. Like you can do it, how it happens, how the costing happens, how you earn profits and everything. So
Hmm.
if you're getting it from where you are staying, living, then what's best? Like you are also safe, and you are
Hmm.
also getting to learn new things. So
Hmm.
so that was the when I felt कि हाँ, I made the right choice. So two reasons were that it was budgeted, and also they are giving everything to me in that budget. So that's
Hmm.
why I chose I feel.
Okay. All right. My next question to you, Kirti, is so I feel happened to you. You are an extremely talented person. CS kara, MCom kara, MBA hua, and then now what I want to understand कि I feel का brand value कैसा है market में, because बहुत सारे बच्चे ये पूछते हैं मुझे, they would love to know कि सर चलो ठीक है, हमने आई फील से अगर एमबीए कर लिया, इट्स अ डिसेंट बी स्कूल टू डू योर एमबीए, राइट?
Right, right,
बट
right.
एमबीए तो हो जाएगा, पढ़ेंगे भी हम वहां से, मार्केटिंग भी पढ़ेंगे, पोर्टर 5 कोर्सेस हो गया, वैल्यूएशन, वो सब जगह पढ़ाया जाता है। आईफिल के बाद लाइफ कैसे होगा? क्या वो एक्सपोजर मिलेगा? क्या वो रिस्पेक्ट मार्केट में मिलेगा? क्या वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमें मिलेगी कंपेयर टू अदर गुड टियर 2 बी स्कूल्स इन द मार्केट? सो how it has been with you after your MBA? Did I feel give you that kind of an opportunity? This is number one. And number two, तुमको लगता है कि जब तुम्हारे साथ मेरे ख्याल से कुछ टीयर टू जैसे IMI हो गया, GIM हो गया, केजेसो में हो गया, इन कॉलेजेस के एलुमनाइज भी आपके साथ काम कर रहे होंगे, है ना?
Right,
तो क्या
right.
फर्क दिखता है आपको, या फिर इट्स जस्ट द सेम थिंग? Give us a little
Hmm.
idea about this. That will be really great, yeah.
Okay, so how I feel helped me was in third. So in MBA in third semester, you choose your field. You choose whether you want to be in marketing, finance, or HR operations. So I chose HR, and then I was learning more in depth about it. Okay, wahan I because of course the professors were coming on a weekend, the visiting professors, and so because he knows what's actually going in the market, what's actually happening in the market or in the corporate world, वो हमें पढ़ाते थे एंड वो
Okay.
हमें को कनेक्ट करके बताते थे कि ओके व्हाट ये जो वर्ड बुक में लिखा है ये बाहर कैसे डिफाइन होता है. So that's how we used to get the real picture. So why I'm telling you is this because this helped me to get where I am today, which is the consulting world.
Right.
So
Right.
अब हर कॉलेज आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज देते हैं. नाउ पीपल से अभी ये कॉलेज का प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुआ, ऐसा नहीं हुआ, मेरा प्लेसमेंट नहीं.
हाँ.
That is, I mean, before pointing out fingers, you should also look within yourself. कॉलेज
Exactly.
तुमको सब कुछ इन प्लेट दे देगा. अब उसको
Exactly.
तुमको कैसे टर्न आउट करना है इज ऑन यू.
Also, what I wanted to understand is you started with Tata. That's a very good thing, by the way. But I feel as a brand, आपको कभी लगा ड्यूरिंग कोरोना या आफ्टर कोरोना, जब आप स्विच करना चाहते थे, आपको ऐसा लगा कि यार आई फील से होने की वजह से मुझे काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज कम मिली या नहीं मिली, so and so forth, because you made it to PwC. It's a Fortune 500 company in the world. It's one of the top-notch Big Four company in the world.
Yes.
Exactly, and you are working there as a consultant, and आपका प्रोफाइल भी काफी cool है. We're gonna talk about that anyway. So तुमको कभी लगा कीर्ति कि यार मैं आईफिल की हूँ, मैं PwC में कैसे सिलेक्ट होंगी, या फिर मैं बड़े मल्टीनेशनल में कैसे जा सकती हूँ? ये कभी आपको हिंड्रन हुआ या फिर कोई तकलीफ आई?
See, me being an HR myself, I would say
हाँ.
never. They really do not care कि आपने, they only care MBA किया है हाँ या ना. They really
अच्छा.
do not care कहाँ से किया है. They just want to see that degree. If you are saying that you have done it, please show the proof. That's it. So because ये चीज मुझे भी डर लगा था कि what if इस कॉलेज को कोई नहीं जानता, तो उस टाइम पे
हाँ, उस टाइम
I'm being very like dead on right now. So people around me, when I used to tell my friends I'm doing my this from here, MBA from here, they used to say, "ये कौन सा college है?"
कौन सा
I was
कॉलेज,
like,
राइट?
हाँ, correct. So I was like, "Hey, ये college, ये MBA कराता है." And then when I used to, pull out my strings like ये कराता है, and then they used to be like, "Shit!" And we played, paid like lakhs and lakhs, and we couldn't even get out from to the another city for a picnic even. I was like, that's your fault then.
आपके बैच के जो आपके फ्रेंड्स होंगे जो एलुमनाइज है अभी, हाउ आर दे डूइंग इन देयर लाइव्स, लाइक क्या है
Everybody,
उनका?
my friends, they are doing wonders in whatever their fields they are in. Wonders. I don't know how much I feel played in their story.
हाँ,
How much bigger part it played, I don't know. But they're doing wonders. No one is sitting at home and cursing. Ki, shit, yaar, MBA kyun kiya? No one is doing that. No one. I can give you in writing. Everybody is working. So
yeah.
maybe not big, but I can be sure a little part this college played.
Now I want to come to that chapter as well, that from IFIL and PwC, okay?
Correct.
बहुत सारे बच्चों को लगता है कि भाई अगर PwC जाना है तो IIM चले जाओ, MDI गुड़गांव चले जाओ, all the
Right.
big colleges है, फिर GIM चले जाओ, IMT गाजियाबाद चले जाओ. You made it to PwC. Like आज हम हैं 2024 में, आपने 2019 में MBA करा, 5 साल का सवाल है ना? इन
Correct.
5 साल आप you made it to PwC. So being a associate consultant, right? I want to understand what sort of qualities are required in a student or a candidate so that
Okay.
they get selected in companies like PwC, KPMG, EY as a consultant. कंसल्टेंट का आजकल बहुत ज्यादा ग्लैमरस लाइफ हो चुका है एंड बहुत ज्यादा
Correct.
डिमांड भी. तो
Correct.
एज अ कंसल्टेंट आई वुड लव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए, हमारे बच्चों के लिए, कि अगर आपको एमबीए के बाद कंसल्टेंट का जॉब चाहिए, ये चीजें आपके रिज्यूमे में होनी चाहिए और ये आपके पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स या फिर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होनी चाहिए. कैन यू पुट सम लाइट ऑन दैट, कीर्ति?
Okay. So there are two parts. One is your knowledge about the subject, and the second is your personality.
नॉलेज तो
These are-
नॉन नेगोशिएबल, वो तो होना ही चाहिए.
So in a consultant, there are a lot of consultants, but be it a technical consultant or a functional consultant. Technicals, they are all engineers or something who have done the coding, learned that. That's good. So knowledge part is clear. Like if you will study in MBA, you are learning everything. So knowledge part is ticked off. Of course, you will learn everything. In personality traits, what they look for is an outspoken person.
Okay.
As in, why? Because see, I work for PwC US specifically.
Oh, that's even better.
All of my clients are from the US. So all of the big fours, they have the offices in US and offices in India. So if you get into a consulting, any company wherein they deal with the clients of India, that's very okay because the Indian customers are there and you can definitely interact. But if you get into some consulting dealing with US or UK or Canada, so definitely you should have that ability to understand that accent also and to speak in such a way that they also understand you, because you are a consultant, you are consulting them about the product.
Thank you so very much. And guys, I hope you love this entire podcast. She's reachable on LinkedIn, by the way, and if you need any help, she'll be more than happy to help you.
Thank
Kirti, thank you so very much for your time.
you so much for having me. Bye.